this seat has come under a lot of focus due to CMM going to fight Nandigram and you being chosen for this seat. How do you see the challenge? Because this is a CM seat, this is a stronghold TMC seat. Do you see any challenge in this seat?
I don't see any challenge because Mamata Bandyopadhyay has prepared the ground of the constituency. She has served the constituency for 10 years. And before that also, when she was MP, she also served this constituency.
Mm-hmm.
When I came, this is my birthplace.
Mm-hmm.
I have started my full political career in the year 1962. Since then, up to 91, I have served this constituency, this area. The people of this area know me very well. Because initially I was known as a boxer Shabandar Chattopadhyay. I was captain of Indian junior boxing team against Sri Lanka. And I was champion of 3 times consecutive years in boxing in inter-college. So people used to call me as boxer Shubham. So people know me very well of this locality and my service. When I was the MLA of Barepur, that time also I served this area. When I was 5 times MLA of Rajbihari, I served this people of this area. And my political career, my colleging, my schooling, everything is in this area, in Bhawanipur area. So people of this area know me very well. And after that I started trade union, and that too also helped me in this election. So I don't feel any challenge. But in mind, of course, this is the seat of Mamata Banerjee, so I shall have to fight it very strongly. I'm working on that because I was COVID, I was attacked by COVID, and very recently I have come out. And even after that, I think that I will surely win this constituency.
So I ask you this, sir, because you are the long time MLA from Rajbihari. I know in Kolkata it is very different and difficult to differentiate. These are all adjoining similar seats, urban seats. But as you say, this is your home. But the BJP targeted the CM a lot for leaving this seat, saying the CM has run away. That kind of language was used.
No, that is the propaganda of a political party. The CM is a product of struggle, and he has started a struggle from Nandigram. When the people of Nandigram requested her to stand from there, to contest from there, she instantly accepted it. And she has chosen me as her one of the best comrade, one of the best worker of the party, and she has chosen. I have won 7 times in the assembly election, consecutive, and this time is the 8th time. So I have got the experience. And when the ground is prepared by some leader of my party, the topmost leader of my party, it is much easier for me to go through.
The CM, I believe, is also holding a roadshow for you today in your constituency. So the full weight is being thrown behind you.
Not my constituency alone. There are several constituencies she will be coming across.
Sir, also this constituency is like known as also a little Gujarat, because a lot of Gujaratis in your area, a lot of Punjabis in your area. So kind of a cosmopolitan.
It is mini India. It is mini India. In my constituency, all religion, all caste are available here. Religions are there. A good number of religion stay here, and I got the opportunity to serve them because I was an employee of corporation. That time, all the Mazdurs, sweepers, they belong to my union, so they are also my supporters.
Because I went around a bit in your constituency speaking to some Gujarati population.
Yes, I have come across.
Yeah.
I have met them and I convinced them. Most of the people said me that you are the local men. Other MLAs are not available in our locality, and we'll have to search him. Where is he?
Yes.
But anytime I'll get you. So this is in this time better to vote for him.
I ask you this, sir, because the CM has been very critical of the 2 men from Gujarat, Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah.
Not from Gujarat. There is a particular man who was criticizing Mamata Banerjee, knowing fully well. You see, Prime Minister is the custodian of the law of India. Being the custodian, how can he blame someone without proof? Until and unless he is proved by the law of court, or how can he blame someone? She's blaming our chief minister, and in a very critical way. That has not been accepted by the female voters of West Bengal.
You mean the Didi O Didi remark which is being said by the PM?
Nasty word he is using like that. joking with that. She is the chief minister and only chief minister in India, female chief minister. So he shouldn't have done this in this way at least. And as well, I have been in the politics for a long time, but I've never seen that a prime minister is coming every day. He became the daily passenger. I've seen all the prime minister came once in a state and not more than once, but he's coming every day and he became the daily passenger of West Bengal. At the same time, his speech, how he and Amit Shah is telling that it is not acceptable, he cannot say. He and Amit Shah, they are the most important ministers of the country. They cannot say in this way. Tom, Dick, Harry can say, but they cannot. But they are using that.
You think that has offended your women voters and they are rallying more behind you because of this?
Of course. You will see that the line of voters, the female voters, they are all supporting Mamata Bandyopadhyay.
So you are a veteran leader and you are maybe the Bhadralok of TMC, as some people tell us, and you don't use very harsh words,
Yes,
in
never.
your campaign.
Never.
But when the CM says words like Danav, like Dushasan, it seems a bit of a contrast, because when we play Mr. Modi for saying Didi or Didi, the other side says, look at the kind of language the CM is being used. Maybe
That is the after effect of some words he is using. Danav is a word, not a nasty word that is used in literature also. But when a prime minister can come down to a street speech, our workers, those who are speaking on the streets like that, then automatically every action has equal reaction, opposite reaction.
also, sir, I wanted to ask you, because the senior most leader of TMC, this debate that has been raised by BJP of the dynasty issue in TMC, Mamata Banerjee ji, Abhishek Banerjee ji calling Bhaipo, that the party is going to dynasty. Do you think this is an issue in these elections, the dynasty issue, or is Abhishek the future of the party?
No issue, as because my son is also leader of the party. He is also youth leader. He was the general secretary in the college.
Yes.
Union leader.
Yes.
So it has got influence on every leader's house. Their children are inclined to politics,
Yes.
becoming inclined. So that is happening, nothing else. You will see in India, there are Lalu Prasad Yadav, and everywhere you will see that they are coming in the politics. They say their father is in the politics, their mother in the politics, they also come in the politics. Nothing wrong in it.
You think Abhishek is the future of the party?
That will prove, the future will prove that.
Also, one last question over COVID, sir. The kind of the pandemic is raging right now. I believe you today also tweeted that you will avoid big rallies from today. So the left has also said, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has also tweeted that he won't do any big rallies in West Bengal. Do you think all parties should take a stand and maybe stop campaigning, or at least
Well,
stop big
see,
campaigning?
The election commission, they are not impartial at this time. They are just arranging in such a way that for 1 month this election is going on. Every alternate day there's big rallies, big meetings. Narendra Modi will come and hold a big meeting, of course. He's coming in of all the 7-8 times. So, election commission is giving opportunity to the national leaders, Chief Prime Minister, Home Minister, other ministers, to hold their programs. They have already completed almost 4 time election is left out. 3 times left out. 4 yesterday is going on. So only they will get the opportunity because they have got money, they are having big pandals, big pandals. They will go into meetings in the noon, and we will not be able to hold our meeting. Our scheduled meetings were all from 5 or 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. So this decision of the election commission that from
7 p.m.
up to 10. And 7 p.m. onwards there will be no meeting, no gathering. This is also has been done to help the Prime Minister and the BJP party. So election commission is not impartial in my mind. I have seen lot of elections since I'm in the politics for last 59 years. So I've seen so many elections I have seen so many times the prime ministers and others are coming, but this is almost different. 1 month election in the COVID situation, it has been done by the election commission itself to help the BJP and the leaders. And so if anything wrong happens in West Bengal, it is increasing like anything COVID, so they will be responsible, nobody else.
So the last question, sir. The BJP says that Mamta ji will lose from Nandigram and you will lose from Bhawanipur, and both the seats will be lost by TMC in this wave of BJP.
Both the seats will be. Mamta ji also will win in the election. I will in the election 100%. I will say that I will win in the election.
And what is your message to the electorate, that also that, because some electorate might be feeling that Mamta ji is not from here. Do you think?
I give the message to the people of West Bengal that they should always compare being Prime Minister, what Narendra Modi has done for last 7 years. Whether he has kept his words, whether he could give any benefit to the people, like Ujala. Ujala, when he has given, there were 400 rupees were coming back to the consumers. Now 17 rupees coming. So that was a hoax. That was a false to the people. Now Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat means Mamata Banerjee has to give 40% of the money and Delhi will give 60% money. Why Mamata Banerjee will give 40% money? He has given Shastra Shati cards to all 10 crores of people. And in Ayushman Bharat, only 1 crore. Even then, those who have got a TV, has got a scooter, has got an iPhone, has got a shade of cemented sand, they will not get it. But Mamata Banerjee didn't discriminate. She is giving 10 crores. So why Mamata Banerjee will cooperate with central government for Ayushman? She is giving to 10 crores. Why for separately 1 crore he will give 30% money? There's no meaning in it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your time.